Good day to all electricians. This is Engineer Simeon Palenzuela and welcome back to my channel. Our topic for today is full voltage magnetic starter with 4 start stop push button. This is the power circuit of the full voltage magnetic starter. We have the circuit breaker, the magnetic contactor, and the overload relay. This is the motor, and this is the schematic wiring diagram of the full voltage magnetic starter. We can see here that we have 4 stop buttons which are connected in series, and the 4 start buttons are connected in parallel. This is the holding circuit interlock, and the circle is the coil of the magnetic starter number 88 and the normally open contact of the magnetic starter. So if you push one of the start push buttons, let's say you push the one at the one on the top, the start button on the top, the 88 coil will be energized. By the way, 88 is the device number for magnetic starter, magnetic contactor in the Japanese standard. So if we push the first start button on the top, the coil number 88 will be energized, and the magnetic contactor will close. The contacts will close. The normally open contact number 88, this one is the holding circuit interlock. This will close because normally open contact will close once the coil is energized. So this coil will close, and if you remove your hand from the start button, this will return to its open position and the power will go this way. This will be closed because the coil is already closed, so the power goes this way. It will bypass the start button. So now this is the power goes to the contactor coil, and this one, the normally open number 88, will also close. This will energize the green pilot light. So you can see that if you push any of the start push button, it will energize the coil and close the contacts, the power contacts of the magnetic contactor. And the same will happen. If you push the second one, you energize the coil and the power contacts will close. If you push the third, the same will happen. If you push the third start push button, it will energize the coil and the power contacts will close. This will close and the motor will run. For the stop push button, if you push the first one, the motor will stop. So the same thing with any of these 4 stop push buttons. All of them are in series, so if you push one stop push button, the motor will stop. So that is the connection of stop for push button. All the stop push button are connected in series, and all the start push button are connected in parallel, and at the bottom is the holding circuit interlock. This is the overload relay 49. If the current increase more than the setting of the overload relay, this normally close contact of overload relay 49 will trip off, and the coil 88 will be de-energized, so the motor will stop. And the normally open contact number 49 of the overload relay will close, and the orange pilot light will be energized. This normally open contact will also close, and this will energize the green pilot light for the running condition of the motor. This pilot light is for the energization of the control voltage. So that's all for push buttons for start-stop push button stations controlling one motor with full voltage magnetic starter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel. To God be the glory.